Good morning, all of you. This is hydroxy compounds called alcohol. Evaluate yourself index question 2. In the previous video, we discussed the index question 1. Write all the possible isomers of an alcohol having the molecular formula C5H12O and give their IUPAC name. The common molecular formula given is C5H10O. For this formula, we have to write the number of isomeric compound and also the IUPAC name. The given molecular formula C5H10O. For this, first I start with the linear chain alcohol. CH3 5 carbon, CH2 second carbon, CH2, CH2, then fifth carbon CH2OH, the first alcohol. Now I write the IUPAC name of this compound. OH is attached to first carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon root word pend, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 1, pentane 1 all. The second isomeric compound, now I start with changing the position of OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, now I change the position of OH to the second carbon atom, straight chain CH3. When you give numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, the root word we know pend, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is 2. Again, change the position of OH by keeping the linear chain as such. CH3, CH2, CH, OH, third position, CH2, CH3. You can start numbering from either left to right or right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom, the root word is pend, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is 3, pentane 3 all. Now, I am going to change the state chain, number of carbon atom in the main chain, state chain. CH3, CH, now I write one methyl in this side chain, iso. CH2, fourth carbon, we have 5 carbon atom, CH2OH. Numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 carbon atom in the main chain. So starting with the bute, carbon-carbon single bond N, function group OH all, position of function group 1, third carbon contain 1 methyl, therefore 3 methyl butane 1 all, 3 methyl butane 1 all. Now, bring the methyl group to the second position of the state chain, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, then 4 carbon is over, 5th carbon CH2OH. Starting from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom, we know the root word is bute, 4 carbon atom, root word bute, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 1, second carbon contain 1 methyl group, 2 methyl butane 1 all. Now, one more compound, isopropyl and secondary alcohol, CH3, CH, CH3, then CH, OH, CH3. Total number of carbon atoms are 5. So OH position is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom in the main chain, root word but, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is 2. Third carbon contain 1 methyl, therefore this is 3 methyl butane 2 all. Then finally, one tertiary butyl CH3 neopentyl. Actually, this is neopentyl. CH3, CH2OH. Neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl alcohol. By giving numbering 1, 2, 3. Main chain containing only 3 carbon atom. Therefore, root word propane, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH1. In the second carbon, there are 2 methyl group. Therefore, 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1 all. 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1 all. So, these are the isomers of C5H12O, and now I am going to classify all the alcohol as primary, secondary and tertiary. In the first alcohol, OH is attached to CH2, therefore primary alcohol. OH attached to CH, secondary alcohol. OH is attached to CH, secondary alcohol. OH is attached to CH2, primary alcohol. OH is attached to CH2, primary alcohol. OH is attached to CH, secondary alcohol. OH is attached to CH2, primary alcohol. Now we are going to discuss some index question in NCERT book. Example, give IUPAC names of the following compounds. First compound given is this. Start with the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OH, the lowest position, it gets number 1. So, total number of carbon atoms are 5. Root word pending carbon-carbon single bond N OH all. Position of OH is 1. There are 2 methyl attached to second and third position, 4 chloro C. First letter C according to alphabet, it comes first. Therefore, first I write methyl. How many methyl we have? 2 methyl. Therefore, dimethyl. Position 2, 3. Chlorine 4. 4 chloro. 2, 3 dimethyl. Pentane 1 all. One more compound is also given. Phenolic compound. C6H5OH is called phenol. IUPAC name of phenol is also phenol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The methyl position are 2, 6. We can directly write the parent alcohol is phenol. Parent alcohol is phenol. Position of methyl group are 2, 6. There are 2 methyl group, 2, 6. How many methyl? Dimethyl. 2, 6 dimethyl phenol. 2, 6 dimethyl phenol. This is index question in NCERT. Name the following compounds according to IUPAC system. So, see the compounds given CH3, CH2, CH, CH2Cl, CH, CH2OH on isopropyl. First, we have to select the main chain, the state chain, linear chain, starting with the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NU groups are present. See here carefully. Second carbon, we have one isopropyl group. This is isopropyl. In the third carbon, we have CH2Cl. What is CH2Cl? A new name, Nothing but chloromethyl, 1 carbon methyl, loss of HIL, chloromethyl. Main chain containing 5 carbon atom, root word, pend, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is 1. In the second carbon, we have isopropyl. So, second carbon, we have isopropyl. And in the third carbon, CH2Cl is nothing but chloromethyl. Chloromethyl. 3 chloromethyl, 2 isopropyl, pentane, 1 all is the IUPAC name of this compound. So, this is the second compound in index question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, total number of carbon atoms are 6. In the second carbon and fifth carbon, we have 2 methyl, first carbon, third carbon, 2 all. 6 carbon, root word, hex, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, 2 OH, diol, position of OH are 1, 3 diol. If the name containing alkane name, we have to write in full form along with the E. Hexane 1, 3 diol. Second carbon and fifth carbon contain 2 methyl group. Therefore, 2, 5 dimethyl hexane 1, 3 diol. This is the next compound we know, cyclohexanol. When we give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Br is in the third position. 3 bromo, cyclo, 6 carbon hex, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, cyclohexanol. So, the fourth compound is an alkenic alcohol. 1, 2 allylic alcohol, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third carbon 1 OH, first carbon 1 ene. Total number of carbon atoms are 6, root word hex. Carbon-carbon double bond ene, OH all. Position of ene is 1. Position of all is 3. Hex 1 ene 3 all. That is the IUPAC name of this fourth compound. There is no side chain. The fifth compound given is index question is OH Br methyl are present along with a double bond. Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. The root word is butane, carbon-carbon double bond ene, OH all, position of double bond is 2, position of OH is 1, second carbon contain 1 bromo, 2 bromo, and third carbon 1 methyl is present. So, what is IUPAC name? 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butene 1 all. Thank you for watching. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss some exercise question given in NCERT, also the IUPAC name of the hydroxy compound. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe.